Morning to everyone. Karnataka is referred as Garden State or land of sandalwood. Thank you. It is of coffee. But very famous. Good morning to everyone. My name is Sriteja. I am studying in second standard B section. Andhra Pradesh is known as the rice bowl of India. It is famous for Tirumala Venkateswara temple. Thank you. வணக்கம் தமிழ்நாட்டின் உலகும் முறை பாரம்பரியம் ஆரோக்கியம் மற்றும் சுவை என பன்முறை தன்மை கொண்டது. நன்றி. Good morning to everyone. Good morning to everyone. Punjabi special chole bhature. It is a combination of chana masala and bhature, a deep fried made from maida. Thank you.
Hi, good morning everyone. I am going to speak about Odisha. Odisha is a state with a rich cultural, historical and natural heritage, with Bhubaneswar as its capital and known as land of temples. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Today I am here to speak about Kerala food. Kerala food is rich in spices like pepper, cardamom and a traditional food is served on banana leaves, especially sadhya during Onam. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Kerala is a state in the southern part of India. It is known as God's own country. Kerala is one of the most popular tourist destinations in India. Thank you. Rajasthan is the largest state in India, known for grand fort and palaces like Ambur Fort and City Palace, etc. Known for colorful textile, pottery, jewelry and carpet, etc. Thank you. This is a famous food in Rajasthan, roti chapati with dal. Rajasthani foods are spicy and